Hello everyone, welcome back to Kaizen Spirit. My name is Sudeep and I will start today's video by asking you a very simple question. Do you believe in luck? Well, I know we all believe in luck, so the answer is yes. But there will be a huge difference in the way people see luck. The opinion of luck will vary from person to person. So, now let me come to the second question, that is, do you think that luck is purely random in nature, or do you think that it can be controlled by you at least to some extent? Well, 90% of the people think that luck is purely random, and I also used to believe the same until few years back. I got to see many examples which forced me to ask myself that why some people are luckier than the other. Is that also really a random stuff, or the person in charge is controlling his or her luck in some way? Then I started looking at the examples of some of the most successful athletes and personalities, and they all had the same opinion, which can be described in one sentence: the harder you work, the luckier you get. So I started thinking, why did they say this? If they believe that their hard work contributed to their luck, then if we also work hard, can we influence our luck as well? So I took this as an experiment and I listed out few tasks which I have been trying to do, but I did not start until a particular day because I did not feel ready, or I felt that the time has not yet come. I took some minor steps towards achieving that task, and it was really surprising to see that many things related to the task happened by itself. So I started thinking, why did this not happen earlier when I was waiting for it to happen, and why is it happening now? Well, the answer was also pretty obvious, because I took the first steps towards it. Then, after these things worked, I started to experiment this on something bigger, something which I have been trying to do for my whole life. And to be honest, it worked there as well. So I got the clarity that luck is no longer a random thing. It can be controlled to some extent. Most people believe that luck is purely random because they do not keep track of their thoughts and their actions. If there is a serious thought process going on inside your head regarding something, and after a while you forget and get back to your own work, then after 15 days you see something related to that, you will not be able to correlate that you had invited that and it did not come by itself. So slowly and slowly I got the clarity that luck can be controlled. Luck is purely a frequency. It is not a random thing, and luck is always open to invitation. If you consciously invite it, it will definitely work in your favor. I know that luck is advertised as purely a random thing, and to get lucky you have to use certain materialistic objects and so many things. But from my experience, I found that luck is simply a frequency. But obviously this opinion will vary from person to person. So I encourage you to try this as an experiment and pick a task which you have been trying to do for a long time. Now start taking small and conscious steps towards it. And in this process you will definitely realize that now luck is in your favor and it is trying to help you to achieve your task. After listening to this, it still might be just a theory for you until you try it out for yourself. But once you get the evidence, it can be life-changing for you, and you will no longer have to depend on the randomness of luck. You can call it whenever you want to, because luck is just a frequency. So that is all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you in getting 1% better. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I release new videos every week. Thank you, and may the force be with you. Goodbye.